Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So guys, I want to show you how to trade QM pattern, especially a buy market. So I want to show you how to trade a buy setup, right? So what happens is that this is how a QM buy setup should look like, right? This is very simple, guys. I'm gonna teach you this thing until you get it. So you can see here. So the market, first of all, the market will be on a downtrend, right? Then the first thing we'll have is that we'll have a break of structure, right? So we have this, so this low is broken. And the second thing we'll have is a change of character. That means this high is broken. So from lower low to a higher high, then the market comes all the way to retest this level. That's where you find your confirmation and you enter the trade. So this is basically how it looks like, and you can see it looks like a head and shoulders, but it's an imbalance head and shoulders. So what you have to look for, you have to look for that, all right, and then you look for that as well. You connect the highs and the lows, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to check your divergence. So this is how you check your divergence. So while the market is giving you lower lows, let's separate this. So while the market is giving you these lower lows, what is going to happen is that the awesome oscillator will be giving you what? Will be giving you higher lows. So while this is giving lower lows, the awesome oscillator will be giving you higher lows, and that is a clear bullish, a regular bullish divergence. Now, one thing about the awesome oscillator, if you've been trading for some time, you understand that indicators lag. One thing about this indicator is that it's a leading indicator. That means that it gives you the signal before. All right. So this is one thing that actually makes this indicator to be a very powerful indicator. So let's look at this example. I'm going to use this volatility 75-1S to show you an example. And guys, we are starting on currencies this week. All right, maybe before we do that, let me show you an update. Look at this volatility 75. You remember, guys, look at how it plays out. I'm actually about to exit this trade. You can see we are $78 in profit. All right, we are actually $78 in profit. That's about it. You can see, so this was my TP profit, either this level or this level, but I think I'm gonna close this. That's around $80 in profit. I think I'm gonna close that now. I'm satisfied with this profit. So let's go on with our lesson. So this is what we are looking for. So the first thing we want to do is we want to identify the market structure. So you can see here that we are actually on a clean downtrend, very clear market over there. So that's a clear downtrend. You can see that we are on a downtrend. So what is happening here? You can see an impulse move, correction, an impulse move, a bigger correction. Then of course we'll be looking for an impulse move. So this could play out this way. It will come back, or it could actually break out, retest, and continue to the upside. All right. But we are not here for that. So let's take this one out and take that one out. So if you're already, so the first thing is to identify, and this is on the 1 hour time frame. The first thing is to identify your market structure and to see where you are at. Now, going to the 4 hour time frame, let's look at this. So that will be our high, and this place will be our low, or even maybe let's say this level over here, because we want to assume that maybe we are looking for this setup somewhere around here. So we'll be waiting for the market to come to this level, then we look for buying opportunity. So this becomes our playground. Now let's go to the 2 hour time frame. I like using the 2 hour or the 1 hour time frame. It doesn't matter. Now remember what we said. What did we say? We say we want to see what? We want to see break of structure. We want to see this high being broken, which is a change of character. We want to see the market coming back to tap this level over here. Then that's when we are looking for our buys. And what do? Turn it into a line chart. When you turn it into a line chart, then you are able to do what? Then you are able to see it nicely. So look at here. What is happening here? Can you see that? Look at that. break of structure. This low is broken, and look at this. It's actually happening on this zone here. So that's very powerful because because of the placing in where it is. What we have there, we have a break of structure, and we have a change of character over there where the market broke this low, then broke that high. So now we'll be waiting for the market to do what? We'll be waiting for the market to come back to this level over here. So we're gonna mark the week of the last candle over there. Then what do we do? So our work now is to do what? Is to wait. Just waiting. Right? Now you've done your assignment, you've done your work, you've been able to draw your zones and everything, we identify that. Let me take this one out over there. So now you do what? You just wait. Now, but we're gonna add something, which is the awesome oscillator. Very powerful. And what are we doing? We are looking at the reaction of the market over here. As the market approached this level, we want to see if there was a divergence over there. Was there a divergence? Yes, look at this. Can you guys see that? Look at that. So while the market was giving us lower lows, what did the divergence do? What did the awesome oscillator do? Gave us a higher low. So that's a clear divergence, and it's telling us that this market is about to do what? It's about to reverse. So we wait for the market to come and tap that level, and then when it does, what do? You just do what? You enter your trade, get your confirmation, enter your trades, place your stop loss down there, and you can even target, let's target even that level over there. And then now you just what? You just step away from the market, and wait for the market to play out. Look at that. Very, 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 very beautiful. And this one even went all the way, to this high over there. And that is as simple as it can get, guys. Don't complicate things. That's how it is. Look for your pattern, look for your divergence, wait for the market to come to that zone, get your confirmation. Of course, I have more confirmation that I normally use, but I don't teach that one over here. That one is for my student. But once the market taps this level, you can use your confirmation or wherever it is. You can either enter at market execution, or you can place your pending orders, that is your buy limits, and then look at that. So this is a regular bullish divergence, because we are looking for buying opportunities. And then that is it, guys. As simple as that. And then you are running your trades. So guys, that's all it about QM patterns, and especially for a buy market. If you found value on this video, remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to comment on the comment section below. Guys, you can join my free Telegram group. It's over there. So yeah, the free Telegram group, you can find the link on the description of this video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.